I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a little summer outfit that will fit 12-inch baby dolls. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free printable sewing pattern. Cut out the pieces shown here. I recommend using jersey fabric or any similar stretchy fabrics for this particular project. You'll also need colored elastic like this. We'll be using the elastic for the garment straps. Begin by laying one garment piece on top of another, keeping the right sides together. Sew the crotch on one side only. I'm using a 1/4 inch seam allowance for this project. After you stitch the crotch, open up the garment, and at the top, where the pink arrows are pointing in this image, create a casing by folding the fabric one time and then a second time with a deeper fold on that second fold. I often use a Whipstitch for my casings, but if you have a walking foot, a sewing machine works just as well. Measure your doll's chest for elastic. Cut a 1/4 inch elastic so it fits snugly around the doll's chest. And cut it and then attach a safety pin. Send the elastic through the garment's casing. If you need help with doing a casing, look in the description below this video on YouTube for my casing tutorial. Use straight pins to hold the elastic in place, especially since you're going to pull it through to the other side, and those straight pins will hold it in place. Join the two unsewn crotches and then sew from the elastic at the top down to the curved part of the crotch. Now your garment should look like this. Flip the garment around like you see here. Create another casing at the bottom of one leg. And again, you're going to fold once and then fold again with a little deeper fold on the second fold, and then whip stitch to close the casing edge. Do this with both of the legs. Now each leg should have a casing. Your garment should look like this. Measure your doll's upper thigh circumference. Again, cut elastic to fit that upper thigh and then attach a safety pin. Send this elastic through the leg casings that you've made. So we're going to do the same thing for both legs casings. Now your garment looks like this. Remember, we're holding both leg elastics in place with straight pins. Fold the leg elastics in half, bringing the crotches together like you see here. Sew from where my index finger is pointing to, all the way to the other side, joining the elastic's ends. So this shows what I mean. Measure and cut 2 shoulder straps from decorative elastic like you see here or in this image. Next, we'll attach the straps to the garment. Attach one of the elastic shoulder straps here, and once attached at the front, you're going to fold it in half and then attach the other side to the garment's back. Now I'm using a Whipstitch, but again you could use your sewing machine. Attach a second strap the same way you did the first, and now you're ready to try it on your doll. For more free, printable sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and different sizes, remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you help spread the word. Goodbye.